Hi everybody! Welcome to Fantasy Station Story Time. Hi everybody! Today's story is Amazing Airplanes by Tony Minton and Ant Parker. An airplane is amazing, for it travels through the sky, above the cloud for miles and miles, so very fast and high. An airport is the place you go to take a trip by air. You check in at the terminal to show you have paid your fare. The ground crew weighs your baggage and loads it in the hold. And then you take the walkway to the plane when you are told. The flight deck where the captain and the co-pilot do their job. They both know how to fly the plane with all its dials and knobs. The radio control tower to check the runways clear. They can't take off unless it is with other planes so near. Clear for takeoff. By intercom, the captain on the flight deck says hello. You have to put your seatbelt on before the plane can go. Hello, this is your captain speaking. Please put your seatbelt on. A plane is big and heavy, yet it climbs up really high. It zooms along the runway and soars into the sky. The wings hold big jet engines, which are loud and very strong. They suck in the air and blow it through whoosh the plane along. When the plane moves fast enough, the air around so swift, it pushes up beneath the wings and makes the whole plane lift. Soon the plane is in the air, so now you're on your flight. The captain crew looks after you and makes sure you're all right. They bring you drinks and magazines and trays of food to eat. And sometimes there is a movie you can watch while you're in your seat. When the journey is over, the captain lands the plane. Control tower has to say it's safe for coming down again. You sit with your seatbelt fastened. There's a bumpy rumbling sound. The wheels are making contact and the plane is on the ground. At last, the doors are opening. Then out you come with smiles. So give a cheer. Hooray! You're here! You have flown for miles and miles. The end. We hope you like the story about the airplanes. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun stories.